Welcome to the next lesson. Today we will focus on changing the application theme to dark mode. In the package menu, we select Install not Uninstall Packages. In the Packages to Install field, we enter the name of the components, Anchor Docking DeskGN, and Docked for Editor, then click the Save button. Once approved, we continue and execute the rebuild process. We will wait for the rebuild to complete, and the application will restart. The next step will be to change the Lazarus skin to a dark color. In the components, we look for Meta Dark Style and perform the installation. We then confirm the rebuild process. The final step will be to adjust the colors in the code editor. I will then continue the presentation with a step-by-step demonstration of the process of changing the colors in the editor without additional comments. I invite you to continue watching.